Hi, it's Dr. Hamilton, and today I want to go over with you how to do a proper hamstring stretch. Now, anytime you have people who are sitting for extended periods of time, when they sit at their desk and they bend that knee, it causes that hamstring a lot of times to tighten up. And if the hamstring gets too tight, what it does is it can throw off the pelvis, which can cause certain things to articulate abnormally, causing more irritation and inflammation to that low back issue or that sacroiliac issue. So anytime we actually think of stretching the hamstrings, most people think of the old flexing forward and just going and trying to touch the toes. The problem with this exercise is you get a good hamstring stretch, but at the same time you're wedging the disc in the low back. So what ends up happening is this causes undue stress and unneeded stress actually on those musculatures as well as the disc tissue. And for anybody who has degenerative disc disease or who actually suffers from arthritis, this is something that can actually cause more aggravation than it does good. So what you actually want to do when you're stretching the hamstring is find a solid type chair or something you can elevate your leg on. You're going to put the leg forward here. The chest is going to stay nice and proud and erect, and what you're going to end up doing is reaching out forward. The difference is you're not coming down like you're reaching towards the toe to wedge the disc. What you're doing is you're reaching forward and trying to stick the chest out of the head out forward. As you reach like that, it causes a great contraction and actually a stretch right back in the hamstring there without causing that wedging sensation actually on the back. Best way to do this is actually using something known as reciprocal inhibition. Now, reciprocal inhibition refers to when one muscle contracts, the opposite muscle that does the opposite action has to relax. That's the way our nervous system is wired. So to get a great hamstring stretch, what you can do is find out exactly where the tension starts occurring. You're going to take a deep breath in, hold that breath for 10 seconds, and push your heel down as hard as you can into that chair, into the solid surface. After 10 seconds, what you're going to do is you're going to breathe out and reach forward. Then you're going to repeat that again. Deep breath in, hold it 10 seconds there, push that heel down, and then reach forward even more as you breathe out. You're going to notice you can get a great hamstring stretch this way without causing any undue stress on that back. And so for people with back pain, this is by far the best way to stretch your hamstring and help alleviate any type of tension type issues or tight muscles that are throwing things out of whack in that back. So take care, make sure you're doing it properly, and consult a licensed physician to see exactly what you should be doing to address your back pain.